Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nataya, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you won't miss a post whenever I post. Okay, so today I'm here with a quick video for y'all. I'm just showing y'all how I apply my falsies. I just started wearing false lashes, so I'm just showing you guys how I apply mine. It's nothing crazy, maybe it's nothing new, but this is just how I do it. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so for the video I'm gonna be using this duo lash glue. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline mascara. Of course you need your tweezer and your lashes. So these lashes that I'll be using, I'm reusing them. I've used them so many times, but they're still good, so I'm gonna be using them. And yeah, let's just get into how I do it. Okay, yeah. All right, so first I take the lash glue, and I'm gonna be, so it's a little blue, but it's gonna dry black, if you get what I'm saying. I already have my eyeliner on, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it here where I want the lashes to go. So like right here, just a thin layer, nothing crazy. Okay, it's on, it's already drying. I'm gonna be doing the next one. Guys, I kind of have a cold. I mean, I've had a cold since forever. Since forever, y'all. It's crazy. Okay. So it's kind of like a eyeliner, but it's not. If you get what I'm saying. And then this is my lash. As I said, I've used them 1,000,001 times. I'm using this tweezer here. You can use the eyelash tweezer if you have one, but I don't have one. I don't think I need to buy one. That's like unnecessary spending for no reason, you know what I'm saying? So, hold it like this. Look in your glass thingy that you're going to be using and just kind of stick it on as close to your lash line as possible. And then you just fix the ends, you know? You can start in the middle, you can fix the ends, you can do it however you like, but this is just how I like to do it. Look at that. And it's on. It's on, y'all. It's on. So then you just kind of use your fingers to just kind of, you know, blend both of them together. Yeah, it's on. And we do the next one. Like, this is so easy for me. I don't put my lashes on any other way anymore because this is super duper easy for me. It doesn't take no time, it's not stressful, none of that, you know? Look at that, the lashes are on. Okay, so to finish up my lashes, some people use mascara before, but I tend to use mascara after. So again, I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I did get this off Amazon, and I just kind of put it on my lashes along with the and this is the mistakes we make sometimes, which I hate. So nothing crazy, just enough to kind of, you know, as I said, you can do it before. A lot of people do it before, but I choose to do it after. because if I do it before, I'm not a professional. When I do it before, I'm not able to see my lashes. You know, and it turns out crazy. Yeah. So let me see if I can get this thing off my face. Let me see. I don't even know how. How, girl? How? Okay. So, it's gonna be a mole. It's gonna be a mole. Alright, then I'm gonna be lining my eyes with the... So, it's this NYX... yeah. So, it's the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner. I love this thing, y'all. I love it. So, I just... put it on my... I kind of use my pinky finger. Is the pinky finger it's called? To kind of hold it, because it doesn't apply a lot of pressure, so it won't remove your whatever you're using. You don't have to do this if you don't like a dark underline waterline, but I do. So this is kind of my signature look. In terms of the dark. You know, give me a little smoky feel. If you get it right. Yeah. Look at that. Come on, eyes. When it comes to makeup though, guys, everybody like different things, so you can just do what you like, and I don't think there's any wrong or right way to do makeup. It just depends on you, you know. It's like your personality. It depends on you. It depends on what you like. You can go ahead and do what you like. So it doesn't have anything to do with, oh, you did it wrong, or that's not how it's supposed to be done. Nah, I don't think so. You just do what you like to do. Okay. All right, so the next thing is mascara. This is what they look like. Quick, easy way to apply your lashes, okay? You don't even have to do no crazy. Okay, sis, it's quick and it's easy and you get results. Okay, it's pretty cute. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to leave the link to the products that I use in the description box, so if you're interested. Alright guys, so talk to you later. Bye.